Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to clean junk files from macOS. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to head over to the Apple menu and go to About This Mac. Then you want to click on the Storage tab and you want to click Manage. Now this is not exactly the cache files that are in here, but you can go through all your applications and see how much space they're taking up, go through everything and delete stuff that you do not need. Now let's get on to the actual cache and stuff like that. So we can close both of these and we want to make sure that we're on the Finder right here, and if we're not, we want to go to the Finder by clicking on the desktop. Now what we want to do is click up here and do Go, and so you want to hold down the Option key on the keyboard and click on Library. Now once you're in here, you want to go to the Caches folder and you want to do Command A, then you want to do Command Delete or just drag them to the trash. Let me just do that. There we go. Now we want to go back and we want to go to the Logs folder and do the same. Right here, drag them to the trash. There we go. Now what we want to do is click up here and go again. We want to click Go to Folder. Now we want to do /library and click Enter. Then we want to go here and go to Caches. Then you want to select all and you want to delete these as well. It will probably ask you for your password, but you can just enter that in. Now what we want to do is close that and we want to clear the browser cache. So if you use Safari, you want to go to History and then you want to do Clear History right here. And I'm not going to do this right now because it clears the cookies and stuff as well, and that would sign me out of websites. But you do that and you can repeat the process for other browsers as well, and that's really all there is to it. Although of course there are other things that you should do once in a while, such as emptying your trash. So you just want to empty the trash right here. And you just want to make sure you have a reasonable amount of free space available at all times, and it will help your computer's speed. So if this video has helped you out, make sure you leave a like, and if you're new to this channel, subscribe. We will see you next time.